Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Today is Monday, May 28th. We got 4 trading days left in May. Let's get this week into the green. Let's start off hot right here. Mondays are super important to get the rest of the week off to a hot start. Let's get into it right after the intro. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. Okay, so let's take a look really quickly at our commodities market here. Taking a look at oil this morning, pretty much just been in a really choppy range. And gold on the right hand side has been on a definite uptrend here this morning. So we'll see if that continues here. Didn't take any trades yesterday. Market, obviously, hopefully everyone had a great Memorial Day weekend. Got kind of rained out for my girls. I had 2 girls travel softball tournaments over the weekend, and Sunday was a downpour pretty much all day. So that all got canceled. Didn't take any trades yesterday. Markets were open half a day, and I definitely took the day off yesterday. So no Rob reversals there yesterday either. So we'll just jump in. Dashboard sits. Took 1 trade Friday. Friday was a garbage day. I don't think there was any trades in gold. No trades in oil session 1. Took a really small trade in oil session 2 for a $120 or 12 tick loser. The account currently stands at $50,843. So we need to have a strong here end of the month rally, and hopefully can get this account to funded status pretty soon. Looking at our levels, starting on the YM, nothing here that really interests me this morning. We've got a 15-minute level at 39,179 right here. We got another level at 39,099. A 5-minute level at 39,036. This is the only trade setup here that I see this morning, taking an entry long off of the 38,974 5-minute level with a clear 15-minute stop loss at 38,954. So that's the YM chart. Let's jump into the ES. Again, ES doesn't really, no really 5-minute levels in between this big range right here. So price action is going to have to do, it's going to have to move. We need it probably to go a good 20, almost 30 points to get to a possible trade scenario. We've got a 15-minute level at 53.36, another 15-minute level at 53.06, another 15-minute level, which would be an entry for a long at 52.98 with a 5-minute stop loss level at 52.95. So my trade would look something like this, with a entry to go long targeting this level, which would be about 7 points. You could have about a 5-point stop. Pretty good risk to reward. Decent little trade setup if we can get down to there. And lastly, on the NQ, kind of a similar setup here. 15-minute level at 19,016, 5-minute level at 18,973. Kind of a big gap here, so that's why I don't have a trade setup here. 5-minute level at 18,880. Might have put 1 extra 8 in there. And then we got another 15-minute level at 18,820. Here's our trade setup off of a long at 752 level, with a 5-minute level right underneath there at 18,735. Trade setup would look very similar to this. So pretty damn good risk to reward here, almost a little bit better than 1 to 2. So we'll see where price action wants to go here this morning. Stick around, and we'll see here if we get any trade setups. Look like I'm getting a setup here in gold. So those trades will be coming up here in a few minutes. Stick around. All right, and here is, I should say my first trade of the morning, which is a 15-minute Rob reversal strategy. We are targeting here 35 points on a short As you can see, we get activated here on the red down setup bar. So that is our classic reversal. Closes below the ADMA, which is really our only filter, or our only really our only filter in this trade. So perfect setup, got the exact momentum that we're looking for out of these reversals. And at this point, 35 points on the NQ is a $700 win. So really looking forward to a strong push. I need pretty much a secondary push here. We do get a little bit of resistance, but really, honestly, not really worried about this trade, just because there is so much downward momentum, such a strong push by sellers that at this point, I just know that maybe one more strong push and those 35 points will probably come in here pretty quickly. So this strategy is an automated strategy. I have this running from 8:30 in the morning till 1:15 in the afternoon, pretty much each day. And if you're interested in the strategy, just take a look in the description down below for the 15-minute Rob reversal. And if you have NinjaTrader, we do have this strategy available for free that you can download, install, and it will trade it for you just like this one. We do get that final push here from sellers. Just an absolute beautiful trade on the Rob reversal this morning.
Target filled.
Well, today was one of those unicorn type of days, and I completely missed everything. Well, almost everything. Just an absolute turd day of trading, and gonna put a lot of that fault into my TradingView charts. They've really, price action for one reason or the other has just been really off, like on all of the instruments. Gold is off. Let's see here. Oil is off by 13 ticks as of right now. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. That's not what I wanted to do. Sorry. All right, so if I put these two together, this is oil on the left-hand side. Price action is currently at 79.52. This is telling me on TradingView that price action is at 79.37. So this is off dramatically. Same scenario with gold, and the same thing with like the NQ. So when I chart, obviously session 1 was a huge winner for 21 ticks. Session 2 was a winner for 14 ticks. And gold was also a winner. Now gold I kind of missed because I had the 15-minute Rob reversal up. I was able to take that with no problem, 35 points, got a $700 win on that. So that was the bright side of the morning. But obviously 0 on the eval. This should have been up. I should have been up today because gold turned out to be, let me see if I can bring up gold here. Gold ended up being a 35 tick winner, so that would have been $350, and I would have picked up another 14 ticks from oil session 2, so that would have been $490 winner for today, and I got 0. So I'm a little ticked off with that. I already put in a support request. I saw it on Friday. I was having the same issues on Friday and didn't trade yesterday, and to be honest with you, I thought it was fixed. And when I had the Rob reversal up on the screen, I was just looking at my TradingView charts to see if I was getting an inside bar setup, and those were all completely off. So it's kind of a little upset. I'm a little upset this morning. I know it's a part of trading. Taking a look at the levels, haven't taken any trades on the levels. The ES really has just been kind of ranging here in kind of a gross price action here already this morning. So nothing there, nothing on the NQ. We did have here a move down, but this is really the setup that I was looking for, a retracement down to 18,752. Now, the other setup that I called out this morning on Discord and then the beginning part of this video was on the YM. We did get a great trade here. I mean, picture perfect. This was my setup that I left you guys with at the beginning of the video, and pretty much a retracement down to 38,974 right to the tick, and then target this 5-minute level at 39,036. So this would have been just an absolute cherry of a setup. But again, I just did not take it. So not the best day of trading today. I'm hoping that my TradingView charts will be up for tomorrow's live session. If they're not, that's going to make my day. That's going to make my live session very, very difficult. So I'm going to kind of make that decision here tomorrow morning, if I can get something resolved here with customer support. So again, as far as the strats, everything worked today. Gold, oil session 1, oil session 2, the Rob reversal, the unicorn day. The unicorn day, which is exactly what I wanted for a Monday, and just wasn't able to take, I wasn't able to profit from any of that moves. So it is what it is. I'm a little bummed out, but hopefully you guys took the trades. Let me know in the comments if you took the oil trades, gold, and if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. If you want to learn any of the strategies, they're all linked below. My oil, gold, the 15-minute Rob reversal, and my levels trades are all in the description below. If you want the indicators or any of the strategies that trades these strategies automatically for you in NinjaTrader, just let me know in the comments below and I'll make that available to you. I will see you guys here tomorrow. Happy trading, everyone.